Hello, welcome to my part 3 of circles. I'm trying to discuss a very good question from NCERT. That question says that there is a circle of radius 5 and there is a circle of radius 3 cutting this circle at 2 points, right? And one more thing very carefully they have written is that distance between the centers is 4. When the length from this point and this point is 5 and distance between their centers is 4, that means the center must be lying on inside the circle itself, and the distance is radius is 3. So they are trying to plot something like this, or you can say that something like this. Now very carefully you try to see that this is 5, am I right? And this is the common chord. This will pass through center, but I cannot comment it right now. I am going to prove that. From here to here, this is 4. That means if this is x, then this is 4 minus x. Am I right? And this length is 3. This is x. This is 4 minus x. This is 3. See very carefully, A, M, O, B. Right? We know that line joining the centers bisects the common chord. Therefore, we can say that triangle AMO is right angled triangle. That means AM square plus MO square should be good enough for OA square. AM square I am not aware of. MO square is algebraically represented by 4 minus x and OA square is 5 square. That means AM square plus 16 plus x square minus 8x, as I just applied a minus b whole square, is equal to 25, and I am landing up with AM square plus x square minus 8x equals to 9. Now if I try to figure out this particular triangle, then triangle AMO dash is a right angled triangle, and eventually AM square plus x square, because this length is x, is equal to OA square. That is AM square plus x square is equal to 9, 3 square. We know that AM square plus x square is 9. We don't know the value of each of them individually, but we can substitute this as 9. 9 minus 8x equals to 9. 8x goes over there, 9x comes over here and becomes 0. That means 0 is equal to x. That means this length does not exist, right? Therefore, we can say that M and O dash coincides. Therefore, the common chord which was passing through M, and since M and O dash are coinciding, so you can say that the common chord is passing through the center. And since this is 3 and common, this is 3 as well, therefore the length of the common chord is 6. So how you will write it? You just copy it down. You just copy it down, and after this I am writing something. That is, since x is equal to 0, therefore MO dash is equal to 0, therefore distance does not exist. That is, M and O dash coincides, which further says that common chord which was passing through M is passing through center of smaller circle, which means when a chord is passing through the center, it means it's a diameter, right? And the diameter, the length is 6. So you can write it over there. I hope I am clear with my point. I hope things are quite visible to you. Just log into my next video to see more questions.